One of the main challenges, I think, is the evolving nature of strategic stability itself in South Asia. Unlike Cold War bilateral competition, South Asia has additional power at play in this competition that actually make the situation more complex and multipolar. This shift has changed Cold War security dilemma into what George Colbert calls a security trilemma, where more than two parties are involved. In South Asia's case, it's China, India, and Pakistan. Looking at the challenges at the bilateral level between India and Pakistan, I think there are multiple challenges as the situation evolves. For instance, between India and Pakistan, one may look at doctrinal challenges as the bigger one, where it not only creates ambiguity, it also creates a certain incongruity between the policies of two states. And then lack of escalation control mechanisms on the part of India and Pakistan actually make the situation complex and add challenges to the strategic stability. Then growing conventional asymmetry, where India's conventional power is increasing exponentially and Pakistan is lagging behind. Hence, it leads to more reliance on nuclear weapons that adds problems in terms of adding more challenges to strategic stability. Then there are strategic defense upgrades. For instance, there are missile developments, there is introduction of a strategic missile defense program, and then there are a number of disruptive technologies that are being introduced. Besides that, then regional rebalancing is very important, where America's major shift towards India and China is going more towards Pakistan. That balancing is actually creating more problems at the regional level. And last but not the least, I think it's the strategic culture of both countries, which is adding more troubles to the overall strategic environment, and that adds more challenges to the strategic stability.